Welcome to my channel, where we're about to embark on a culinary journey unlike any other. Today, we're diving into an extraordinary recipe, Tangy Pineapple Basil ChickenSkewers. Prepare to indulge in a symphony of flavors and an unforgettable grilling experience. Before we begin, I want to share something special with you. Alongside this incredible recipe, I also offer a collection of unique and delightful recipes for sale, each designed to elevate your culinary skills and broaden your flavor horizons. Savor the essence of creativity in your own kitchen. Explore a world of flavors with my exclusive recipe collection, available for you to enjoy and share with your loved ones. If you're ready to embark on a culinary journey and unlock the secrets to a world of exceptional flavors, look no further. Join me as we unravel the art of extraordinary cooking together. Now let's focus on the star of today's show, these mouth-watering Tangy Pineapple Basil ChickenSkewers. From their vibrant blend of sweet and savory notes to their simple yet stunning presentation, these skewers promise an unparalleled grilling adventure.